Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I have a video about the Valentine project that I've been working on, and I've had some people ask if there was going to be a kit, and so I have decided to put together a kit of the items that I have been using. So you'll be able to take this kit, follow along the videos, and actually make the items that I have made. The tassel, the paper clips, the envelope, this, the eyelets, and even the little closures and everything. So we'll take a look at the kit, and then I'm gonna make something really quick. So you're gonna get a red chenille stem, because I have some other projects coming up as well. You're gonna get 2 of the envelopes, so you have one to practice on and one to use to make, and then your practice one will be able to be your key for later. You're gonna get one of the quilted pink. These are all different, but you will get one sheet of the quilted pink paper, a piece of the pink ribbon, the red ribbon, the two different off-white ribbons that I used in the tassel. This is the garland that I put in the pocket. You get some of the red bling and some pearls for your tassel. You'll get one of the little pink envelopes, and these are 30 years old, and so some of them have stuck a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and put these in because they match so nicely, and you know, they are vintage. They are over 30 years old, those little floral, that's hard to believe. Anyway, so then you're going to get some of the pom-pom, red wired pom-pom, and it's already cut and ready for you to put for your handles. Here's another pink ribbon for your tassel. One of your pink ribbons is for a tag closure. You're going to get the little pink, the pretty Anna Griffin tag that I used on the front. You're going to get the paper clips that you need, the pins that you need to make the charms. You're going to get the erasers. Here's the squared or rectangle paper clip. You're going to get the beads to make the Valentine Valentine paper clips that I've made. You're going to get the pearls. That's the larger pearls for the tassel. You're going to get a love stamp that is canceled, a 25-cent stamp. You're going to get the double heart charm and the love charm that I put on the tassel. You're going to get a bobby pin, and that is an upcoming tutorial. Excuse me, I'm so sorry, as well. You're going to get this little pom-pom, and that's because he was left over after I cut the edges, and I think we'll make him into a paper clip, just a fuzzy pom-pom. You're going to get the variety of beads that you need to make the paper clips, and Tim Holtz fastener. I think it's a garment pin or something. And you're going to get the key ring. And oh my goodness, this is the one that people always ask me about. This is how there's my floral tape. Got to have that. When you're a florist, you got to have floral tape because you just never know. So you're going to get one of those. And so here's the other 2. So there's going to be 3 of these kits. And again, they will be available on Friday afternoon at 4 o'clock Pacific time in my Etsy. That's 7 o'clock Eastern. For any other time zones, please go ahead and check it. So it'll be 4 o'clock Pacific time. Now there is more to this kit. We have paper. So we have this cute little recipe card, a heart tag, a Rolodex card, some really nice thick white paper cardstock that's already cut in this shape, You get a couple of these little tiny tags. This tag, 3 of the tickets. This is a little tiny envelope. This one isn't, well, it might be 30 years old. It was gifted to me in a very large gift, but they open. And let's see, there's the pink ribbon to use possibly for a tag top. Okay, you get this really pretty vellum that we'll be using in the mini junk journal that we're going to make. You get one of these large tags, this cute little note paper with the bird. You get this pink index card, and look, it matches the envelope. It just matches really well. You get a white index card. You get a February 2018. And then look at this. This is from one of my guest check or receipt books, and they're red. So you get that. You get a black one also, and then a piece of this note paper. And that's so far. If I use something else in the little mini junk journal that we're going to be making, then you're going to get that also. You're going to get, I'm going to divide this up between the 4 of us, and we're going to make a paper tassel. So you're going to get the piece of this to make your paper tassel. You'll get the bling to put around the top of your tassel. The other thing that you're going to get is you're going to get some of the gold and some of the red pliable wire that I use, enough to make your charms and to tie your tassel. So you'll get some of this and some of the red. Okay, and you get your pins to make your charms. Let's see. So actually, you're not going to get gold. You're going to get red. I'm sorry. This one is all red. Everything in here is red. Okay, so, but you are going to get wire. And everything you see here, except the floral tape. You probably don't need the floral tape. And so you're going to get everything to make the bag. And let me see. I just realized I had the the paper clips are sitting on another tag. So we'll make sure that you see how I have the paper clip sitting on this tag. So you're going to get that also. One for this kit and the 2 for those. So the reason that there's only 4 is the Anna Griffith cards only come with 4 of each. And so so there's that. I hope that you're excited about this. I'm going to go ahead and show you what we're going to do with the chenille stem. We're just going to do a lot of really fun things, and you may remember I've done this before, but I have so many people that are new to my channel that I'm going to go ahead and make this again. So I'm going to make the word love out of a red chenille stem, and I'm just going to start like we did with the wire, but this one I'm actually going to go ahead and turn it. I'm going to come down here. So I went in, let's see, 1.5 inches and started my loop and came back in just inside. So like at 3/4 of an inch is where my loop is tied. Okay. Now we're going to go and we'll start the loop at the bottom one at about 1 inch. So we'll give, again, about 3/4 of an inch here. Okay. Did that. Okay, and you want to turn it, and you need to turn it all the way around this. So there's a half turn, there's the whole turn. That's what I was doing wrong. Okay, so you see how nice that looks? We have an O. Now again, remember we go ahead and go around finger for the O. And I'm going to go ahead and, because I'm going to have this one hang on something on the thing, so I want it to be pretty sturdy. So I went ahead and I wrapped the O. I'm going to come here and just about a 1/2 inch. I'm going to start the V. I'm going to come down about, what is that, 5/8? Yeah, 5/8, and make my point of my V. And then at about a 1/2 inch, no, about 3/4 of an inch, I'm going to go ahead and make my V go back across. It's closer to 7/8. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then we're going to make our E. Okay. And again, we're going to bring it around and we're going to twist it. And there's our E. Okay. So we have the fuzzy word love. How fun is that? And it will be able to hang, we could possibly hang it on this paper clip or give it its own yeah, I did give you another red paper clip in your kit, so you can go ahead and just attach the paper clip. So again, you can use this for any of your paper crafting. You know, you could stick this on your husband's lunchbox. Pretty silly, but you know, that's kind of cool. So there we go. So we have our chenille stem love. And so the other thing that I thought that would be really super easy is we have this envelope, and I thought just go ahead and glue. I haven't played with the glue yet today. Hopefully it'll come out. Ah, yes, thank you, glue. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue this on. Just plain like that. Okay. And then you could take like one of these notes and fold it up and put it inside there. You could go ahead and decorate your tag. Put your tag inside. So one of the other things that is going to come with this kit is a printable of the 3 of my Valentine, from my personal collection of my antique postcards. I'm going to make a copy of 3 of the postcards onto, what is it called? Onto a thicker, like a scrapbook paper cardstock. And then also when I can send you the 3 people that buy the kit will also receive the downloadable printable of those 3 postcards. You just send me your email address and I will email you a copy of that. So that is what we have so far. You know, I think it would be kind of fun once we have some scraps to go ahead and add some scraps to this envelope too. I don't have any right yet because I've pretty much used all of my pieces as I'm making this. So did I put the... I started making the where did it go? The little book. So I put the piece of vellum inside the little book, and this variety of little papers are also going to go inside the little book. So stay tuned for that video. Again, Friday, that's tomorrow. It is the 5th at 4 o'clock on, here, we'll go ahead and write this down so that you can make a screenshot of this if you want to. Friday, January 5th, 2018, at 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. And we're going to call this Romantic Valentine Kit. Okay. And also, so you know, the December daily Santa and Mr. Snowman kit is on sale in my Etsy. I have marked it down to a sale price. So come on over and check that out. And if you want to join in, I'm still working on December daily in my Facebook group, Scrap All About It. You're welcome to come over there and join in and get ideas. These videos will be exclusive to my group through January. So December daily videos, it's going to include embellishments. It's going to include how I am setting up my pages. I've now chosen to do a junk journal. And so I have totally started over. I basically have somewhere my cover. My cover is started. So I have a red book with some material on it. That's what I've got so far. But look at that spine. Because I take lots of pictures. And, you know, if I took the picture, there was a reason. And especially if I kept the picture in my phone or in my camera. So there you go. Friday, January 5th, 2018, 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. The Romantic Valentine Kit. It includes everything to make this and the next couple of videos that I will be doing. The mini, what is it? It's a mini junk journal. And it's, oh, there it is. Nope, that's not it. Its cover is going to be this quilted, and it has some of that vellum in it. It's going to have a variety of these different papers in it. I think it's going to be really cute. And so, yeah. So watch for that also. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe and have an amazing day. Happy New Year.